Resto-Rob here, and I have a cool thing to show you guys real quick. Came in this nifty box. So sit back, relax, and let's check out this Bonney project that we just got. So here is another Bonney find. Original box. Gear puller. This was a $20 purchase with $13 shipping in the box. Let me pull it all together. So we've got the jaws, the screw, we've got the 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin Bonney USA puller. Bonney puller. Anybody that's had to pull a pump motor apart or a bearing seal off of something, you probably used one of these before. This is a Bonney. So, and it came in the box, original box. How cool is that? So, let me know. Well, folks, hopefully you enjoyed that gear puller, Bonney gear puller. So I'm really gonna have to, in a little while, get that box cleaned up, get the rest of it cleaned up, and wow, I can't believe I found that. That was a pretty awesome score. All the pieces and parts were there. Wow. So I'm impressed. I'm happy. So please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Robert J. Faust or Bonney Tool Collector. And also like, subscribe, share, and as always, stay safe and check you later.